Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to use title templates. Let's begin! Let's start. Select the Graphic tab. Select the Browse tab. Select My Templates. Search the keyword Title. Pull and drag film title onto the timeline. The title is added like this. Select by clicking it. In this template, there are two layers like this. Enter the text in Enter Title Here and Episode Name. Let's continue to change the character design. Increase the size of the letters by adding strokes. Now you can easily create a title using the title template. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.